Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what I look like when I'm still kind of waking up and what to do with your instant noodles. And what we have here is something out of an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. This is Sakurai Foods and their vegetarian miso ramen. It also, you may notice down at the bottom here, it got a little vegan thing, so it's vegan as well. And happy Friday to everyone out there in the world doing what you do, making it happen. Yeah, so 3 minutes. There we go. So yeah, you might have noticed the new intro today. We've got strawberries growing in our garden, and I was hoping I'd capture the flowers opening up and then closing. That was a 12-hour time lapse, and the flowers really didn't do anything, but those leaves, they move around quite a bit. It's kind of weird. I've been really having a lot of fun. I use this same camera to do it. It's my old phone. And yeah, I tell you, when you get the option, when you get a new phone, to trade in your old one, see if there's a way you can handle it to be able to afford to keep your old one. Because I tell you what, these things are really, really handy. You get rid of pretty much all the apps that you had on your phone, and get a little, this thing's it's a little articulating arm monopod. Kind of think of like a swing arm lamp, and you get one of those and you mount your camera on it. There's a little clamp, and then it's kind of a, an arm. Just for representation, this is what an arm looks like, just so you know what an arm is. Anyways, and yeah, and you can like put a nice big, I've got like a 256 gig SD card in this thing, and I just set it up. I've got a power brick, and I plug it in. It's been kind of rainy lately, so I put the power brick in a Ziploc bag with the cord sticking out, going to the phone, and yeah, I just set it in the right spot, hit record, and there it goes. And 12 hours later, I've got like a 30 gigabyte file. Copy it to my computer and see if it looks like it did anything. That one wasn't the best one I've gotten. I've gotten ones that you may have seen where like the sprouts are coming up and everything. That's pretty neat. I like that one. Some work out, some don't. But such is life. But so far, it's been pretty good. Today I'll be getting my, not this one, not the next one, but the next one after that, because I do 3 a day in the morning. That'll be my 12th review for this week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's pretty good. I might even attempt to do 3 tomorrow as well, but tomorrow is a fancy day. Well, I could do it as long as I get up early again. It's like my wife's on a reduced work schedule, getting back to her former glory, feeling better and stuff, and so she's got Mondays and Fridays off, which is good. Nice. But yeah, just trying to get, right now I'm just trying to like cram in as many reviews as I can during the week. But when I get up early, like right now it's 7:35, it works out really well. So yeah, these guys are really cool. I've worked with Sakurai Foods before. They've sent me samples. I did a Meet the Manufacturer series on them. A lot of their stuff is vegetarian. This is their miso. And I'm really picky about miso. Some people have no problem with come on, get off the fork. Okay. I'm not a huge fan of red miso, but if it's kind of combined with other styles of miso, then it's more to my liking. But generally, they don't do that in a lot of companies. Let's see. Here's the broth. That's the main thing. I know this noodle very well. I'll try it, of course, but. Cheers. God, that is good. It's a very, that's super savory. I like that. And the noodle. Yeah, 3 minutes, 500 mils of water. That's a nice miso. And I mean, it's not like super complex or anything. There's not like a huge amount of stuff going on. But it's tasty. It's savory. It's yummy. I'm enthused, ladies and gentlemen. So that's all I got to say about that. Let's pony up to this sucker. Out there. I'm starting to get the hang of this. Noodle. A way too thick slice of chashu. Okay. A little bit of, and again, I need to recharge this. Note to self, recharge that sucker. Trying to visit the old Eggman Cuckoo Cachoo. It's funny, got, how many eggs did I get? 2 yesterday. One of them worked out, one of them didn't. Or 2 worked out, 1 didn't, and I just didn't have time to make more, so we'll see how this one goes. Well, I hope. I hope it went well. Come on. Come on. There we go. Could be goopier. That's pretty darn good. Alright. Man, it looks kind of dreary out there today. Out there in the outer world. Let's throw it on this end of the stick. Right down. There. Yeah, I've been kind of one-trick ponying it lately, but that's just kind of how I always do up basic Japanese varieties. But I got a couple interesting things up my sleeve for the episode that you will see tomorrow. Check your local listings, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a real bang-up show featuring, yes, another thing from Japan. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. Ooh! I don't see much in the line of noodles, do you? That's a little better. And we got a slice of Narutomaki. It can be really tricky on the placing of all this stuff. And usually I like it when the Naruto looks a little less like a letter E or a letter A. I like it when it's a little more swirly. I'm gonna go like that. Go like that. and go like that. So mung bean sprout, sesame seed, narutomaki, chashu, and soft egg. Oh yeah. You like that, I hope. Hi, Miles. And here we go. Okay. They're making beeping noises out there, ladies and gentlemen. All right, cool. Thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is this one. This one came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. What is it? This is Sapporo Ichiban Shio, but it's some kind of fancy kelp and kombu variety. And generally, I don't really like that kind of thing, but open mind, we'll see how it goes. This is Miles the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.